Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Soheb and you are watching Digital Soheb. So in this video, we are gonna review one tool that will help you to save your time, energy, money. But before I start this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So whenever I will be reveal my new video, so you will get a notification. Okay, so let's get started. The tool name is that we will talk about Captain Data. First of all, I will tell you what is Captain Data. Captain Data is a no-code automation platform for data extraction and enrichment to automate process like lead generation and CRM enrichment. Whoever said repetition is the mother of learning never spent hours pulling data from various sources. Captain Data is a built for non-techies, so you don't need to be a developer or growth hacker to benefit from the power of web data. You can choose from 100 plus multitasking workflows templates, single step automation, 20 plus native integration, and 25 plus data sources from Google Map to LinkedIn. So I will tell you something more about this tool, but before that I will show you pricing plan of this tool, because this tool will help you to save your much more time, energy, money. So now we are here in Captain Data official website. So they have mentioned 3 package plan in their dashboard: Lunar, Apollo and Mars. If you will go with Lunar, so you have to pay $99 monthly. If you will go with Apollo, so you have to pay $199 monthly. And if you will go with Mars, so you have to pay $399 monthly. And here is the question, what you will get in these price point. So in $99 you will get 20,000 tasks monthly, 3 multi-sales workflows, 1 account, custom workflow editor. In Apollo you will get 50,000 tasks monthly, 5 multi-step workflows, 2 accounts. And in Mars you will get 1,50,000 tasks monthly, 10 multi-step workflows, 5 accounts, and as well as magic links. These all tools comes with 14 days free trial. If you wanna go with free trial, so you can get comfortable with this tool. But I have an amazing deal for you here. If you will buy this tool from here, their official website, so you have to pay all these amounts if you will choose any one of them. But if you want a lifetime deal, so you can buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo Marketplace is a platform where you can buy digital products for your digital businesses. You can automate your all businesses with all these digital tools. So AppSumo is a high rated trusted platform from where you can buy this tool. AppSumo is offering you this tool only at just $99 with lifetime deal, right? And also they have mentioned many more details about this tool. They have images, they have tutorial videos, they have mentioned all the plan and features. You can read all these plan and features. They also have mentioned pricing plan: license tier 1, license tier 2, license tier 3. They have 3 tiers. If you will go with tier 1, so you have to pay $99 and you can access this tool lifetime. All the above features you will get with this tool: 25,000 tasks per month you will get, 1 account as per integration. And if you will go with license tier 2, so you have to pay $179 per month, and all the above features: 50,000 tasks per month, 2 accounts. And if you will go with tier 3, so you have to pay $299 and 1 time, and you will get this tool for a lifetime. And all the features also you will get with this tool. Okay, and one more amazing thing, after buying this tool, if you are not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund within 60 days. They are giving you 60 days money back guarantee. No matter the reason, if you are not satisfied, so you can get back your refund. And first of all, I'll not say to you buy this tool. I'll say you, if you want to be comfortable with this tool, so just take a free trial. For free trial, what you can do, I have mentioned the link in my video description. So whenever you will click on that link, so you will be redirected on this landing page. So after coming on this landing page, so scroll down in this page, and can you see this link, Captain Data? So just click on that link. When you will click on that link, so you will be redirected on Captain Data official website. So here you can start your free trial with any one of these packages. Okay, but one more important thing I will tell you: lifetime deals are not stackable. If you will delay, you will lose your lifetime deal, right? But it's completely depend on you. So now I'll tell you something about this tool. So what else you can do with this tool? With Captain Data, you will be able to seamlessly integrate with tools you already use, like spreadsheets, CRMs and social networks. Thanks to all API keys and native creators, synchronize your account is one click and use them across different workflows to scale as you grow. And Captain Data centralize your team accounts for each integration, so anyone on your team, you can easily set up automation in minute. You can also create account for people outside your team without team having access to your Captain Data account. When you launch a workflow, the platform automatically calculated everything for you, even detecting the type of LinkedIn account you are using to automatically adjust the limits. Get access to every details for each input with comprehensive error descriptions along with dedicated pixels for each account you set up. Create and update account from the API and check an account's uses over time. You can also launch a workflow with a high number of inputs or one by one. You will be able to poll results in real time with workbooks for any workflow to trigger them on job success or failures. When you are not a coder, automating your workflow can feel as scary as watching the exorcist alone. With Captain Data, you can extract and enrich data to automate process like lead generation without any coding experience or nightmares spreadsheet formulas. And if you talk about some questions, because some question may come to your mind and you can frequently ask question with them. Your first question, it might be, what is workflow? So workflow is a chain of one or more automated tasks or steps. They don't count each step, but the workflow as a whole, there's no limit on the number of steps. You can create, save and reuse unlimited workflows configuration. They call jobs. And your second question might become in your mind, what is task? So they have already given you the answer. Each save result for an automation execute on a workflow count for one task. If you have a workflow with 2 steps, let's say one step is a search with 10 results and another step visit the 10 profiles. This will account for 20 tasks or 20 data output. 1000 tasks is regularly equivalent to 20 minutes. And if you have third question like what is account? So when using Captain Data, you will synchronize third-party account with an integration such as Google Sheets, a social media like LinkedIn, or a third-party email finder like Drop Contact. One account can be synchronized for each integration. So one of LinkedIn, one of Twitter, one of Google, and so on. If you are an agency, so they are strongly recommending you to get at least Mars plan since it packages more account and awesome features to synchronize external accounts. And if you have question like this, what is email enrichment? So email enrichment enables you to search for emails. Each search accounts for 1 credit and you wouldn't always find an email. It's not 100% accurate, no email finder is. If you need more emails, you can always choose another email finder like Drop Contact, and many more platforms are available in the market. Now one more question can come in your mind, what is Magic Link shareable authentication? This feature enables you to set up integration accounts with external users. Let's say you are an agency dealing with multiple clients. You clearly don't want to manage credentials or complex processes to automate lead generation or data enrichment for them. With account sharing, someone outside your Captain Data workspace will be able to synchronize any type of account, whether it is LinkedIn or HubSpot CRM, right? If you have question for them, if they are offering few more plans, so yes, of course they have more plan also. So in the pricing dashboard, they have mentioned only 3 plans, Lunar, Apollo and Mars, but they have Stellar, API and business plan also. If you will go with Lunar plan, so I have already told you, you have to pay 100 euro for Apollo, 200 euros for Mars, 400 euros monthly. For Stellar, because they have a Stellar plan also. If you will go with Stellar plan, so you have to pay 600 euro monthly. If you will go with API plan, so you have to pay 1200 euro monthly. But if you want business plan, so they have business plan package also. So business plan starting is from 2500 euro monthly. For each plan, they have upgrade the maximum number of tasks, workflows and accounts you will get. If you have this question, is there a free trial of the paid plan? So I have already told you, they have a free trial with every package with a 14 days free trial. Okay, starting at the Mars plan. So their customer success team will help you to make the most out of the platform. And now if you are thinking, do I need to know how to code? If you know how to click on a button, so you should be fine, right? And now in the last, if you will ask for a discount, so they do offer discounts for early stage startups, referrals and annual plans. But I have already told you about lifetime deal. If you want to go with lifetime deal, so you can go through AppSumo plan, so you can buy any of these tier license. So that was the tool. I hope this video has helped you to understand about this tool, how you can use it, and what you will get in this tool if you will use it and if you will buy it. So I try to complete all the details from my side. If I left anything, so please let me know in the comment box. I will explain something more about this tool and I will solve your question. Thanks for watching this video. That's all for this review. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.